to landing stations.
Anong oras po sana flight na ba?
Landing na tayo. Ito, mag-landing na tayo. SM Aura, kita na. Okay na, baba na tayo. Hindi na bahay.
Chop! Yung cage ni Bear. Cage ni Bear. Ay, sige yan. Wise elephant going into the airplane. What is elephant?
Hey! Thanks God. We're safe na. Ano yung pagpag? Yay!
Hello everyone, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Tayo si Adja.
Acha!
Audrey.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin mawala ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin po namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit at pinagbabawal.